The crowd roared as the lights dimmed inside the Crypto.com arena, home of the Los Angeles Sparks. It was a special night, not just because it was a sellout crowd, but because it was one of those rare games where the energy was thick enough to feel it buzzing in the air. Fans dressed in gold and purple, waving banners and wearing jerseys of their favorite players, stood in anticipation as the Sparks prepared to take the court. Their opponents, wearing crisp white pinstripe jerseys, were no slouches either. The stage was set for what everyone expected to be a close, high-intensity battle. As the players took the court, there was an unspoken tension. The Sparks, coming off a 2-game win streak, were eager to keep their momentum alive. Nneka Ogwumike, the veteran leader and cornerstone of the franchise, led the team in the pre-game huddle. Her voice, calm but passionate, reminded her teammates to play with heart, poise, and trust in each other. Across from her stood the visiting squad's captain, equally composed, rallying her team with sharp, confident gestures. The officials gathered at center court, the game ball in hand, ready to toss it up for the opening tip. The opening minutes were fast-paced. Los Angeles struck, first with a quick transition bucket. Their ball movement was crisp, and the pick-and-roll plays clicked like clockwork. The visiting team answered right back, knocking down a deep 3 from the top of the arc, signaling they weren't going to back down. As the first quarter unfolded, it became clear that this wasn't going to be a one-sided affair. Both teams brought their A game. The players fought for every loose ball, challenged every shot, and filled every possession with intensity. The Sparks' young guard, recently added from the draft, started heating up midway through the second quarter. She nailed 2 3-pointers from the corner, and then drove baseline for a reverse layup that brought the crowd to their feet. Her energy was infectious. On the defensive end, she applied full-court pressure, forcing turnovers that turned into quick points. But the white-jerseyed squad refused to fall behind. Their star forward, known for her mid-range jumper, hit 3 straight shots to silence the crowd and swing the momentum. By halftime, the score was tied, 42-42. Fans rushed to grab snacks, but the buzz never left the building. Analysts on the broadcast team broke down the first half, praising the intensity and poise shown by both teams. They noted how Los Angeles was excelling in transition, while the visitors were dominating the glass. It was a chess match, tactical, strategic,